This is my first bike check. It's a my bike is a We the People Versus 2010. I put a few new parts on it. I mainly made this bike for weight. Has little dirty shadow grips with Eastern glow-in-the-dark bar ends. I have a stock salt brake and brake cable. Got a regular salt stem. Then I got one of the I think it's the lightest part headset. It's in Eastern. I forget the full name of it, but it's an Eastern headset. Now I got stock forks, stock salt rim. The forks are salt too. Whole tires stock. The frame stock. I got new Haro pedals. Stock 25 tooth salt chain wheel. Salt chain. And the bike has hollow axles, so that's saves a lot of weight, I guess. Stock back rim. I changed out the whatever seat clamp because my old one broke. It has a E-clat seat, but I covered it because I didn't like the design. So that's my bike. Hope you like it. Very nice bike. I learned a lot of shit on it. Alright, see ya.